Hello guys, good morning and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Too soon 2026. Today I'm going to give a review where I will show you guys the effect of the paint that I'm using. So during the live I said that I'm not really sure between the two brands that I'm using. So today I will be showing you the effect of these paints, and they are of different brands. So disclaimer, this is not sponsored video, and I bought it from the store online. So for the sake of those of you who are into painting, I'm showing you the effect of this paint, uh, of this brand, because both of them guys, they are of different brands, and I'm using it to paint with my craft. So I'll be showing you guys how it is. Are you ready? But before that, I would like to make a big shout out to all my channel members. These are all my craft guys. I'm using it. So today I would like to make a big shout out to all my channel members. Lolito World Tracker, shout out to you bro, Merry Christmas. Foodman Paul Vlog, shout out to you and Merry Christmas. And Elimfro Virgo, shout out to you and Merry Christmas to all, to your family, friends and relatives. And also Marlix Journey, shout out to you and Merry Christmas to all your staffs, to all your family and friends. And of course, Alan Cabato of Canada. Merry Christmas to you, bro, and to the entire family. Merry Christmas and happy New Year 2026 to all of you guys. So, wishing you all a prosperous new year. So without further ado, I'm showing you the paint that I'm using. So these are the two guys. Disclaimer, this is not sponsored video. So I'm just showing you for the sake of review. So this is the first one I'm using. And I also have this brand that I use. Acrylic color, but I don't know. It's a Chinese thing. So this is the inside. It comes from different colors. Okay, and the other one guys, this is an old my husband bought this one online too, and this is the mark. And so the important of showing you the mark guys, just in case you are curious about the paint that I'm using. Then if you want to try, it's all up to you guys. But again, this is not sponsored video. This is, I bought it from the store, and this for the sake of giving you an info about the brand. So if you want to buy, or if you want to paint, so at least you have an idea how the effect and how it is. But here I'm using it. It's not, I'm not using it on the canvas. The material here is different, so I do not know if the effect is different too. So again, I will be showing you the effect of this one. This mark, I use it to paint the nose of my swan. So this is the nose of the swan guys that I use. So look at closely. So this one is made of paper. Of course, I've done a great work here. So it looks like a wood now. It's hard. So it's so hard guys. It's like a wood. So I don't know if the same with the canvas. So that's the effect. But so far, I'm not really finished it because I plan to put a varnish on the top. So that's the effect of the nose guys. So this is the brand that I'm using. So far I like this brand, and I rate it like 9 over 10. 10 is the highest. So far I like it. The only disadvantage of this one, guys, if you open it or if you happen that there is some piercing here or a little bit hole, make sure that you have to use the whole tube, otherwise it will dry. So look at this. So it's so useless after it will dry. You cannot use it anymore. But as long as it is intact and closed, it will not damage. It's just fine. So this is the effect, and I use I forget the name of the paint of this one. I don't know if this is scarlet. I forgot, guys. Orange. So that's our nose, and that's the effect of the swan. And I don't know if you like it. So far it's good. Okay, now the other one, guys, I will be showing you is the black here. What I'm using to paint the nose or the head part of the swan is this mark. So far the tubing, I don't like much. The tubing is like so tiny and shiny. It's like a plastic. But when it comes to the paint, so far not bad. I'm not really done actually because I need to put an eyes here. So there is some repainting I will be doing. So this is not really final. I need to repaint it, guys. And I need to put an eyes too. So it's not really finished, but I'm just showing you the paint here. So that's the effect so far. The color looks bright. Well, when it comes to color, guys, I would like to say 9 over 10, not bad because looks shiny. But I just really don't know the longevity, if it is open, if it will harden right away. I'm not really sure. So far for when it comes to the paint, it's like 9 over 10, not bad at all. So I like it so far. The only downside is like the tubing. It's so tiny and it's like plastic, and on the top of the one I cannot read closely the color. Is like it says here black, so that's how it is. The rest is Chinese thing. So but I'm not really sure about the price of this because it's my husband who bought it online. So I don't know if it is which one is cheaper or expensive. So far the look of the paint not bad. Looks nice. So that's how the effect, guys. So for the sake of the review, how do you rate it, guys? Well, if you participate, I would like you to rate it on the bottom. Tell me, guys, how it is, how it looks like. So I'll greatly appreciate if you could do. So far that's how it is. So bright. Do you like it? So what is missing is the eyes and some repainting. So that's it for today's vlog, and I hope you will like it and give a ratings below. The 10 is the highest, and if you like it or not, I greatly appreciate your honest opinion, guys. When it comes to the paintings, to the paintings and everything, whatever your minds, whatever your thoughts, and if also towards my craft, if you say anything about it, I valued your thoughts. And also if you, I hope this video too helps you, especially for those people into paintings. I hope this video gives you an idea how these two brands looks like when it comes to the paint. So far, it does not do like smeared or anything like that. It's just fine. Perfectly fine. So far, I like it. So that's it for today's vlog, and I hope all of you have a wonderful weekend. Have a wonderful 2026 New Year. So, wishing you all a Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. Well, bye. So that's how it looks like inside. You can put all your things here inside, guys. It's quite big. So it's quite big there. You can hide all your eggs. So that's it for today, and I'll see you soon. Bye.